you doing there? What are you doing?
Yo, yo, Grand Rising, each and every single one of you guys. How you guys feeling? Let's get it going today. Morning, bro. Good morning. Let's go, family. Shout out to Marcus Iverson in the chat. Jay. We out here. So again, we was looking at the dollar. First things first, everybody go ahead and drop them cities in the chat. Drop them cities in the chat.
It's lost into the darkness. Nothing can save you.
Let's go ahead and get into the charts. Let's get into the Forex Factory.
Which is the only thing between you.
Kansas City, Rocktown, Arkansas. Let's go. Let's get it. So we're going to go ahead and get into the Forex Factory for the week. We have JOLTS job openings. That's not until Tuesday. We have ADP non-farm employment change. This is going to be a big news release to look at. And following up on the end of the week, NFP. The NFP news release, man. NFP news release is going to be a big one. Whatever comes before the NFP, understand NFP is actually targeted to come out higher for the currency. So whatever's leading up until here, as you guys can see, the dollar has already been starting to go bullish. We've already started to go bullish. It's already been accumulating. And I expect us to actually retest down, give us one more rundown to the upside. I am in these gold positions here. I do like gold and oil. Do like these trades here. Oil looks like it created a nice little up candle here. The only two pairs I'm going to be looking at is gold and oil. Maybe NASDAQ actually just went ahead and retested towards the downside here. As far as gold actually just created a volume candle towards the downside. Let's see if it wants to form here. I'm gonna close out of these buys. I actually would be taking a short attempt here. I think it's good to go. Not much movement we would see, to be honest. That's not. There's a possibility we still actually rebound up from here. What are you guys looking at this morning? What are you guys looking at? One of the first things that I'm looking at is the Forex Factory. And in the Forex Factory, we don't have a lot today, just today. So as of today, we don't have anything on the radar. But on Tuesday, we will have this Joe's job openings. Joe's job openings is actually expected to come out lower, which would mean worse for the dollar. If you're on the same page as me with the bullish dollar, that would mean we can get a retrace tomorrow to give us that higher entries that we're looking for. What do you think of GU sells? As far as GU sells go, I would like to see us come up one more time, probably up to here. Once we can get that bounce back up, we can get a nice entry to the downside. GU sells. Nasdaq looks like it's retesting downwards, giving us a buy opportunity here. I would say Nasdaq, I'm gonna leave it alone for a second. Looks like it's already running. Gold, oil. So for you guys that are looking at trades, one of the first things that you look at is the dollar, right? We want to look at the dollar and we want to get an index as to where is the dollar going. But not only just the dollar, there's a lot of other news and there's a lot of other things you should look at, like investing.com. US stocks mixed at a short start of the week index. Includes Fed meeting, big tech earnings. It is about to be 10 o'clock, so we'll see a lot more volatility start to come in. Looking at major stocks, US 30 is giving a drop right now. I would still remain bullish on the stocks for now, unless there's a major break of structure we haven't really seen yet. So most likely continuations here. It's about to be 9 a.m. for me. Perfect. So since the indices are already running, the dollar is already running, let's look at the New York session time frame. Yo, what's good? What's good? My guy James. Yeah, gold is gonna drop. I think now is a good time to actually take this. Let's make sure that it's good to go, to follow through. Our stop is gonna be 23945. We've got 1 hour left on this candle here. With the dollar going so bullish right now, kind of makes sense that we start off the week bearish the gold. So this is the position that I'm in. Let's wait out on it. Let's wait out on it. It's about to be 9 a.m. It's about to be 10 for me. Oil. Looks like a great selling opportunity here as well. This might be the other one that I take as well, the last trade that I take on the stream. Let's wait on it. We're already in gold. Let's watch gold. Monitor gold. Yeah, I have to close out of some of this. Let's be patient because there's a possibility it still drops. Gold is just so bullish that this is a very, very counter trend setup. Yeah, I'm not liking this reaction here. Let's see. Oil didn't react properly. Gold didn't react properly. On the daily time frame, if we look at gold, the weekly time frame, if we look at gold, we are pretty bullish. You gotta keep that in mind. We are pretty bullish. We're trying to sell something that kind of doesn't really want to go for it. Yeah, we're gonna close out with the 1 hour closing in about 5 minutes. As you guys can see, the 45-minute candle was an engulfing. If we look at it now, let's look at CL. This is no longer valid, so let's let it be. This is probably gonna go a little bit higher. Let's wait on it. Or maybe this right here is our entry possibility. Let's watch it. Let's watch it. Alright, let's take this oil sell. Since we're not in gold, let's see how oil reacts here. This 4-hour bearish candle has to hold. If it doesn't hold, you're gonna have to get out of here. With the 1-hour candle closing like this, I actually would like gold buys. Let me take this. Stop loss 2-3. Very, very interesting position because we're very bullish dollar right now. So let's see. I'm gonna hold out on this oil. Let's hold out. Interesting price action. The reaction here. It's looking like it's starting to react. So I'm gonna get back in. 23954. Damn, my order. I think I'm in too many contracts here. I'm gonna take out 2 of these contracts so I can get into this gold. Right at the 5-minute candle here. No, we meant to buy. That's what we're in. Oil sells. We're buying gold. We're buying gold. Gold is way too bullish. Just gotta make sure it's ready. Don't want to get you guys in a trade. What is this volume showing us? This volume is showing us heavily bearish. So it is a risk that you gotta take if you're taking these shorts with me. On a long term, it's heavily bullish. These pairs are heavily bullish. But after seeing a 5-minute candle like this with a volume confirmed like it is right now, it's a no-brainer to take this entry. So we don't want to let it slip from us before it gets too far away. So it's still right over here, 23945.
Shopify helps you sell at every stage of your business. Sell it online, take it in person, and go big, like a million orders.
All right.
Whatever your stage, this
That is our position here.
Shopify. Sign up today.
Sometimes
Shopify.com/YouTube audio.
for a Monday, I don't think it's gonna give us much of a reaction. So don't really depend on anything. Oil hasn't really given us much of a reaction. Just wait out on it. Yeah, no. The sell. After seeing this accumulation here, oil just created an engulfing. DXY has been pushing. Let's wait for the reaction. If I'm gonna be real, the reaction might look a lot more bullish. So if you're in the sell, now seeing the current price action, this is why it's important to look at these things live. Because after the 5-minute engulfing downwards, I'm not gonna lie, we did clear some liquidity and we did go ahead and break to the downside. How far we go to the downside is up to the market. I do believe that we are a lot more bullish than we think we are. I see oil buying. I also do see oil buying as well. After seeing this 5-minute candle come out like this, let's just wait a minute. 15-minute candle was very, very bearish. If you sell gold, honestly, it's time to really get out of this position. That was a counter trend position. And you got to switch up when you see that the market starts reversing. So, honestly, guys, this is good to go towards the upside. I'm taking this right here. Let's wait. Let's wait. What is the 4-hour saying? Let's stay neutral here. I know you can see oil buying, but after seeing this engulfing candle here, I'm holding this still. Could have held gold because now it's starting to react. Alright, oil is starting to react, gold is starting to react. This might be the last attempt. We're not at anything right now, except for oil. It probably wouldn't be a good idea to start shorting, especially since we didn't create a lower low. We're actually starting to accumulate, especially since we're not really too far away from entry here. I let this one rock, especially because I like the confirmation here. So let's look at oil. We're slightly in profit. I'm probably going to, after seeing this, I'm gonna buy gold. I just need to see. I don't know. Dollar has been going very, very bullish. Leads me a little bit more to the bear side, but gold is the metal, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take the gold buy. Let's see. We're selling oil. It's very tricky because oil and gold follow along very, very well. So if we were to start buying gold, our other trade might have to take some profits on there.
Imagine a place where there's no need to cry, a place where only beauty lies. Oh, imagination. Everywhere you go, there is paradise. Rainbow so pretty, the sun so bright. It's a beautiful sight to see. Come take a flight with me. Yeah,
Still waiting here. The 4 hour just opened up. Yep, there we go. That's the reaction we wanted. It's all about if the market's going to continue off of that. I don't think we continue off of that. I have a strong feeling that once we get down to here, maybe it reacts up. Same with gold. We probably consolidate out here a bit. Yeah, I mean, oil is up. We might as well go ahead and take a position here on gold. Just want to make sure it's the right position. Alright. We're gonna take this back. Risk to reward is a little bit better this time. Because if we break this, we would be done. Two, 3, 9, 2. I would put my risk a little bit higher. I don't think I can put that much contracts on here. All right. Let me remove all drawings. Here's our trades. We've got one here on the oil. Drop a 1 if you're in oil with me. Next we've got gold. Drop a 1 in the chat if you're in gold. This one is a counter trend trade. Get back the music.
For the love of God, please let me talk to her for you.
No,
Come on,
bro,
dude,
come on.
I could get you this girl right now.
Yes, sir. So we got gold and we've got oil, both running for us. If you're in gold, drop a 1 in the chat. If you're in oil, drop a 2 in the chat. Yes, sir. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Gold and oil are both up. Any other pairs that you guys are looking at? Go ahead and drop this in the chat. Forgot to drop oil in the chat. Oil is going pretty good as well. Let's look at gold one more time. Moving pretty slow. I might have to close out of this one because we're just so bullish. Still holding. Still holding. Drop a $sign in the chat if you're in profit. Everybody drop a $sign in the chat if you're in profit. We might be able to add on. We're in two different positions right now in profit. At this point, I think it's time to go break even. For all of you guys just now tuning in, I want you guys to go ahead and drop what cities you guys are tapping in from. So we got Kansas, Rocktown. Where you guys tuning in from? So we're break even on oil. We're not break even yet on gold. Gold is going to continue, especially after looking at the Forex Factory over here. We have Jolt's job openings coming out tomorrow, releasing lower. If we come out greater, that would actually mean better for the dollar. But nonetheless, it's a Monday, so a lot of these things are counter trend. I wouldn't be surprised if we start going bullish here. Now that it's 10 o'clock. Can never go broke taking profits, guys. Can never go broke taking a profit. Coming right back to break even. I don't like how it's moving here. Whenever I see a trade like this, I don't like how it's moving. We'll see. Just hold it out. Just gonna hold it out. I think at this point of the session, we're already break even on oil. On gold, we're still waiting. All trades right now are looking pretty smooth. You got gold and oil going to the downside here. I need to see a full reaction before I decide to step away. If you're in gold, if I'm gonna be honest, I've decided that we are going to now see the weekly, the daily, 4-hour. See if we react here. If I'm gonna be real, the sell was probably very, very temporary. Very, very temporary. As long as it doesn't play games here, then we can hold. I'm not gonna have any attachment towards the setup, but let's see if it sticks. You don't want to get in a trade that doesn't stick. There we go. If you're in oil, drop a $sign in the chat, guys. Drop a $sign in the chat. Sheesh. Drop a $sign in the chat. That's crazy. What a great position. Hey, just closed out in profit. It was a battle to see if gold would stick today. Hey man, you know, gold was like a consolidation, but we still stayed in. Drop a $sign if you're in on gold. Who's in on gold? Shout out to anybody who took these gold sells with me. I think I go break even here soon. Let's go. As far as any other positions, what other pairs would you guys for me to look at? I see GBP USD in the chat. Is there any other pairs that you guys would like for me to look at? As far as Euro, Euro has been dropping ever since the dollar has been going straight towards the upside. Same with GU. We haven't really got much of a retest, which I don't think we will. I don't think we will be getting that retest.
When was the
Oil
last time I took a
looks like we reacted very well
I hit in 2 weeks? What about
off of this
hotels?
candle over here,
Hey Erica, how much am I spending on travel?
When your questions about
and I believe we could actually go ahead and
there's Erica.
have this go towards the downside even further.
Spend, save, and plan smarter. Only from Bank of America. What would you like the power to
As
do?
far as gold,
Only available in the English
shout out to gold.
This version of the mobile banking app only available-
Gold is in profit.
Your chat may be recorded.
If you're in gold, drop a 333 in the chat.
Terms may apply. Bank of America and
Let me know. I think I dropped it in here. Yo, shout out to my guy. He's in this trade as well. He took the gold sells. He knew what was up since last night. I don't know about you guys, but this skill set is duplicatable, bro. It's duplicatable. We can get you right. You know the vibes. Hope you guys are enjoying the stream. Hope you guys are catching some of these setups with me. And I'm not the only one. If you're on here and you caught this setup, I want you to drop not only just a 3, but I want you to join the Discord. And I want you to go ahead and let me know how you're feeling. Drop a screenshot of the trade. Let me know if you're in the trade. Look back at gold. oil. I mean, guys, who is in this setup with me? Anybody else? Well, that's it for the day. Hope you guys were able to catch some setups with me. Gold and oil went crazy. Let me know in the chat box how you guys are feeling. You made a bag. Go ahead and... I see my guy Jaime just tagged me. That's pretty much it. Wow. Oil is going crazy right now. What a banger setup. What a banger setup. It's a great way to start the Monday. Hope each and every single one of you guys were able to capitalize off of these with me, because we took these live. We literally took these live. We are in profits. Let's go. What a great stream. Who's in this? Who's in this? Damn. Not that much of a risk on here. We could have put way more. But for a Monday, it's a great start. It's a great start for a Monday. Amazing start. Gotta love it. At this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scale off one of my entries. Same with gold. I'm gonna scale off 1. At this point, you should be moving your stop loss to break even, modifying it to the contract. If you don't have a stop in for gold, you can go ahead and add a stop in like this. We're going to add a limit for the buy, and that would be our stop. So there we have it. We've got the short position secured on gold and the short position secured on oil. On NAS, there's a possibility for bullish. If you guys are looking at NAS, very good possibility for bullish. I'm not going to overtrade today. I say gold and oil were the only ones. Did anybody get into any other trades that they would like to let me know about, that maybe hit stop loss or break even, that we could review on the setup? If you haven't already, go ahead and like the stream. Drop a like. If you guys got some value or took some trades on here, you know, it's always great to just at least show a little bit of love. If you got some trades, if you got some value, a lot of you guys should already be in these oil and gold shorts.
As a result of the outbreak, your city or entire region may be endangered by a lethal agent. If conditions at your location make this a possibility, you need to consider staying in place until the
Oils, well, that ends well. Any other trades? Is it only gold and oil for today? We have NAS. There's a possibility for buys on NAS. I'm just not going to take them. But if you were to trade NAS today, I like the upside. I really do. Gold, oil. Let's look at NASDAQ. What else can we look at? So let me go ahead and pull up the YouTube.
Picture this. You're sitting at home alone watching YouTube videos, wondering why you can't find the motivation to do.
This is the Kevin.
somebody's out there. TAP Pharmaceuticals.
Just took some small YM NQ buys and dipped out twice in profit.
$875 million. Medicare fraud.
Newsby making some indecision.
Nobody went to prison. And no person
There's a lot of indecision this week,
got charged.
which is why
Corporation. Because the
play everything day by day.
corporation
Lots of indecision.
these criminal acts.
Time out. Time out. The corporation
So let's focus on that.
lacks
Let's focus on it day by day.
incorporation.
Gold shorts,
Piece of paper.
that was the play for the day. Oil shorts, that was the play for the day.
A person,
Nasdaq
a human being,
is probably going to just play around for a little bit and give us the direction that we truly want. Maybe even short. Honestly, forget the long.
government,
If we're looking at this now,
scammers. The government,
we reacted off of here pretty harsh.
government.
And honestly,
That's the criminal
wouldn't be
law.
surprised if this continues down as well.
United States crime
Just like the other pairs. We're in a short season. You guys see how gold is now dropping. You guys see how oil is now dropping.
corporation
And the dollar is going up.
commit criminal fraud.
That's the type of trend that we're going to like to stay into if we want the market to continue to give us what we want and continue to profit.
With criminal fraud, we'll make a big name for ourselves. We, the government, the prosecutors. Nobody's going to go to prison, don't worry, which is not going to help you make more money. That's a path of enlightenment, of self-realization, of inner joy, peace, and happiness.
It's a great morning.
Help me make
Great morning. If you continued with the bullish dollar, it's a great morning.
They're mean,
Nonetheless.
angry, nasty, backstabbing, evil.
But I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Do you guys have any other questions before I hop off?
Huge amounts of money.
It's getting towards 11 o'clock.
Having a
Don't really
sense
want to
of
do
oneness with
nothing
the universe. They
on
scoff at the
stream,
whole idea because
trading
it's the
wise.
material world, and they're focused on that. But I think the better question is, if you're on a spiritual path, can you still make money? Most spiritual paths talk about detachment from the material world. They talk about sacrificing things, not living in the world, giving up material pleasures to focus on the inner world,
Anything else?
to
I don't think I have anything else for you guys.
push away the
It
external.
was a great morning. Drop a 777 if you got some value from the stream. You made some money. Drop a like. Let me know. Wow, oil is busting. Let's go, let's go. Well, let's get it. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I'll see you guys at the top or from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. Peace out, guys.